What up, bitches? It's early. It's my hot brother Tyler. We literally planned to go to Busch Gardens like yesterday, and now we're going there.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out. No need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods.
First pit stop with Tyler in the bathroom. What state are we in?
Are we in Virginia yet?
You gotta get in the honk.
It's not even a truck.
Communist best.
You can't see, and it's dangerous right now.
Honk! God damn it! Alright, so we've arrived. It's past Tyler's bedtime. So, I'm gonna check up on him, see how he's doing. He's probably gotten 3.5 hours of sleep in the past 24 hours. I'm lucky enough to share a bed with him tonight in this house that we rented.
Wait, what?
I came out wrong. I meant that one. Yeah, that's what I meant. Ladies and gentlemen, me and Tyler have made it successfully to Busch Gardens, and now we'll be scaring the fuck out of guests as they walk by. Fuck! They got giraffes here. It's an elephant. Make an elephant.
Pretty sure that's a prehistoric dinosaur.
Yeah, it's a dinosaur. Is that a penguin?
So fucking zebra.
That's a penguin.
No, it's not. It's a zebra.
That is a penguin.
It's a zebra.
It is a penguin.
It's a zebra.
It's a penguin.
It's a zebra.
Are we gonna have a problem?
Yes,
Are we gonna have a
yes,
problem?
we are.
Are we gonna have a problem?
Yes.
We're gonna have a problem. So me and Tyler got soaked, but now we're gonna play some basketball. Prove it's rigged. You have to be dry to play this game. Hey.
Can we get 20 for free? So I can do 8 for 20 for 40.
Alright, yeah, we'll do that.
Stand behind whatever rack you like. If you got 2 behind the rack, you just gotta make 1.
Stand from here. Or right here.
Right behind the rack.
Oh, okay. Suck. Fuck. I'm not a basketball player. Oh shit. Tyler, take extra shot. You use your last shot. I have one more. Aw. Shit's gotta be rigged. Alright, take care, man. He said 4 and it took like 12. Yeah, is it? You knew that? No, I didn't. I knew it was this week. Ah! Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't see! Fuck! Ah! 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 my brother Tyler has been deployed into the worst field in the Sesame Street. So I'd like to take control of that. It's my friend Andrew Isaac. Bitch, don't go to college, please. Yeah. We're ready.
Really? This is why we don't want
Why are we going so high? That's too far, that's too far, it's too far. It's a children's ride. Ah! We're not. We're screaming. He's good. I told him. All the parents hate us. All the parents in the fucking section hate us. Here we go. This is it. This is the big one. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Like, we make these for kids.
That was too intense. Look at this concerned mother. My mom's talking shit right now. Too scary, bro. Yeah, I know. Too scary.
There you go.
Way too scary. Mr. Big Bird. Why not? Mr. Big Bird, it's an honor. What's up? How you doing? Come on. This way. Oh, line up here, line up here. Yeah, line up there.
And 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Big Bird.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
Here you guys go.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh, man. The shit we do for you guys. We met Big Bird. Alright, my life is complete now. My bad. So me and Tyler, we were going on rides and stuff, and one of them was called Les Scoot. That has become our favorite thing to say. Les Scoot.
Les Scoot! Les Scoot!
Les Scoot.
Les Scoot!
You know, it's a beautiful night over the bridge. Well, no, the only thing that could make better. Les Scoot. Les Scoot.
Les Scoot!
Shut up, woman! Ladies and gentlemen, it's closing time in the park. You know, it's important to always be a leader and not a follower, so I want to be real with you guys for a minute. Something I normally don't really express as a full conversation, but you know. Yeah, we're taking a shortcut. We're taking the scenic route. You know, it's always important to trust yourself, know who you are. You know, the park's been closed for like 10 minutes now. Look at all these people going the right way. Be a leader, not a follower. Do the right thing. Never be afraid to stand out and be yourself. You know, someone once asked me why I was doing this and this whole YouTube thing. And, you know, I got campers who watch this that look up to me. So I'm here to be a good role model and a good example, to have confidence in yourself and be yourself. And look at me in Busch Gardens right now, 10 minutes after it's closed. Anyway, thank you all for watching. It truly means everything to me that you guys, you know, stick through and enjoy this shit. You know, you gotta eat shit for a little bit. We might be at a little bit right now, but we'll grow up there, we'll get bigger, we'll get stronger. Me, Tyler, that other guy. And yeah, bye.